Have you ever looked in the mirror and wondered why, no matter how hard you try, your face still doesn't stand out? You do everything you think is right, but something still feels off. Almost like there's a version of you waiting to be unlocked. A more attractive, sharper, more confident version. The truth is, it's not about luck, genetics, or born handsome. It's about fixing a few silent flaws that are holding you back. And today, I'll show you exactly what those flaws are and how to fix them, just like the guy who went from ignored to landing professional modeling gigs in just 12 months. The problem most men face isn't that they're unattractive, it's that they're not optimized. They carry unnecessary facial fat, they choose the wrong hairstyle, they ignore small grooming steps, they don't train the right muscles, and their style doesn't match their frame. And because of this, no matter how much effort they put in, they still look average. Not bad, just average. And average doesn't get noticed. Average never stands out. But the good news? Every one of these flaws is fixable. And once you correct them, you'll be shocked at how quickly people start treating you differently. Step 1. Face fat. Look closely at the transformation photo from the reference. In the first one, his face is puffy, bloated, edges blurred, no visible bone structure. But in the second photo, his jawline cuts like a blade. His cheekbones look sculpted. The entire face looks sharp. This happens when your overall body fat drops, your face automatically starts revealing its natural structure. So start training, not just for abs or biceps, but for definition. And here's the key most guys miss. Training improves your face because it reduces fat and enhances posture. Combine strength training with some cardio, and watch your facial features come alive. But that's only half the equation. Face and frame work together. You might lose the fat, but if your frame is narrow, your face will still look unbalanced. Wide shoulders with a defined jaw, that's the attractive ratio. When your shoulder to head distance increases, your silhouette instantly becomes more masculine. So focus on exercises targeting shoulders and back. Think overhead presses, lateral raises, pull-ups, and rows. A powerful frame makes even a simple outfit and a basic face look model tier. It's not genetics, it's geometry. Step 2. Diet. You can't out-train a bad diet. You could crush every workout, show up at the gym 5 days a week, and still see almost no change if your meals are full of chips, packaged snacks, instant noodles, and sugary drinks. These foods cause fat gain, water retention, and facial bloating. If you want clearer skin and sharper structure, start by eliminating processed sugar. It's one of the biggest culprits behind acne, dullness, and that tired-looking face. Replace low-quality calories with protein-rich meals like chicken, eggs, fish, lentils, and chickpeas. Include foods high in zinc to support testosterone and overall energy. Avoid eating heavy meals late at night, and hydrate properly throughout the day. Clean up your diet consistently for just 30 days and you'll notice real change. Your facial structure starts tightening, your eyes look more alert, and your skin appears smoother and more vibrant. Fitness isn't only built in the gym, it's built in the kitchen first. Step 3. Hair. You might not realize it, but your hairstyle is one of the strongest visual tools you have. It can completely change the structure of your face. In the transformation, his hair went from flat and lifeless to layered and shaped, instantly adding definition. But you can't get layers without length. So start by growing your hair for at least 4 months and let it develop naturally before cutting it. Once you have enough, go to a professional barber and ask for a layered cut that enhances your natural features. If your face has sharp angles, textured and messy styles work best. If your features are softer, go for more volume and defined structure. There's something most men never consider. Your hairstyle options improve drastically once your jawline is defined. Strong facial structure makes almost any haircut look intentional. So reduce face fat, build a solid frame, and enhance your jawline first. Then upgrade your hairstyle. Get your foundation right, and even simple hairstyling becomes a powerful advantage. Step 4. Dressing sense. Fashion isn't about the price tag, it's about how confidently it rests on your frame. You can wear the most expensive designer jacket, but if your shoulders are narrow or your posture is weak, it'll still look lifeless. Strengthening your body changes everything. Build muscle, broaden your shoulders, and suddenly even a plain white t-shirt carries presence. Fit is the real luxury. your clothes should enhance your physique, not disguise it. Start with simple, well-fitted outfits, focusing on structure over brand name. Go on Pinterest, search for men's outfits, and save styles that match how you want to present yourself. Whether you lean toward minimal, smart casual, or streetwear, prioritize clean lines and balanced proportions. Stay away from overly baggy or ultra-tight pieces. They break the silhouette rather than defining it. Stick to solid colors, timeless combinations, and let subtle accessories like rings, watches, or necklaces add personality without overpowering your look. When used well, small details are what turn an outfit into a statement. Step 5. Skincare. You can have the best body and hair, but if your skin looks dull, everything else loses impact. People look at your face first. There are 4 areas to fix: eyebrows, dark circles, facial hair, and lips. Start with eyebrows. Use a simple face razor to clean edges, nothing excessive. Just a soft shape to look well groomed. For dark circles, focus on sleep. Keep screens away at least 30 minutes before bed. In the morning, ice your face for a few minutes. This reduces puffiness, tightens skin, and boosts freshness. For facial hair, decide based on your face shape. A well-maintained beard can enhance structure, but if your growth is patchy or doesn't suit you, go clean shave. Use a quality razor and beard oil if keeping facial hair. Finally, lips dry. Cracked lips instantly reduce attractiveness. Use an SPF lip balm to keep them hydrated. Start caring for these fine details, and your face will glow without even using filters or editing. It's not about vanity, it's about presentation. It shows discipline, self-respect, and attention to growth. Now, one thing to remember: this transformation doesn't happen overnight. The guy who made it in 12 months didn't just train or groom. Occasionally, he was consistent. He chose disciplined routines over instant gratification. He said no to junk food, to late scrolling, to skipping workouts. That's what separates average from exceptional. And the truth is, most men won't follow through. They'll watch a video, feel inspired for a day, and then fall back. But if you choose to stay consistent, you'll become unrecognizable. People will ask what changed. Some will say it's genetics. Some will think it's luck. But you'll know it was effort and discipline. This journey isn't about trying to look like someone else. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. The version you see in your head right now. You don't need expensive treatments or designer brands. You need structure, diet, basic grooming, the right haircut, and consistent discipline. Fix these 5 flaws and you won't just look attractive, you'll look like you were meant to all along. If this video inspired you, don't let it end here. Start today. Choose one thing to fix this week. Stay committed. And if you want more videos like this to guide your transformation, make sure to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Your transformation doesn't start when you're ready. It starts when you decide. So decide now. Let's build your God face. See you in the next video.